Eva Safira. My daily life is I student at Bandar Lampung University, namely Marayati University, is currently in the third semester and will later enter the third semester here. I am taking the Environmental Engineering study program, and there are so many new things that I get when I study. Going to college my goals and aspiration for the future. After this, I want to become an analyst in IDEC company. It might be very difficult to achieve all of them. But I am sure that with the effort and prayers of my parents, nothing is impossible as long as we continue to strive. There is one dream that I want to make come true. When I have become a successful career woman. Hello, good afternoon. Here I want to tell you a little about my daily life as a student at I University, namely Malahati University. I took the Environmental Engineering study program, where in the study program I have studied some special material regarding the surrounding environment, such as what I am studying, namely how to deal with it or recycle plastic waste so that it can be more useful and can reduce plastic waste that is thrown away in the surrounding environment, and study the subject in the study program. For example, in the last few days, I have judged money, craft from unused and used cardboard and clothes. I made a used Bicola bottle into each shelf to attach small items such as stationery and makeup look. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. I want to tell you about my hobby with science. With the little, I really like drawing or learning about my hobby. Since I was little, I had a hobby of cooking. When I was still in school, in kindergarten, I really liked playing with cooking until I had a dream of becoming a great chef. When I started to grow up. I tried to make fruit rich, but failed because I gave quite a lot of water when I cooked the fruit right, but my mother said it didn't matter because I was just learning to cook. But I never stopped learning until finally I I can cook food to achieve dessert, and the menu that I really like is tempeh with chili sauce and with mustard grits mixed with tops even touch tree are still several other recipes that I can yet cook. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. I want to tell you about the environmental at my campus, namely Malayati University. I am very proud to be a student at Malayati University, at which I never thought about studying, let alone on that campus. But because of encouragement from my family and determination, I wanted to become a woman. I am successful in continuing my studies. The things I like when I am on campus is sitting in a corner, the golf course because for me the atmosphere is very calm, and there air is fresh, plus the grand traps make my heart look much calmer, and I am happy in afternoon when the sun becomes to set, and so it wonder at can of the Malayati Malayati Reservoir. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. I want to share a little story about my family. I am the first of 5 children, and my mother has 3 sons and 2 women. My mother currently lives in Mississippi along with my 4 younger siblings, while my father lived in Bandar Lampung. Together with my uncle Manuel, I lived alone in a boarding house close to my campus. Previously, I had lived with my grandmother for a long time, but since my grandmother was no longer there, I chose to live alone and live independently. Even though become a boarding house student. But during my time as a boarding house student, I learned a lot about life which much be more fragile and independent than the life I previously lived. I am sure that there is happiness waiting for me in the future. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. Today I want to show you my activity during this holiday. Watch the video until the end. Because the weather today is quite hot, so I went to buy ice and snack near the house. I'm walking to the stall where I went to snack. It's very close to the house. I have a red food and I went to buy my favorite nugget, which I actually buy. While waiting for nugget and I saw I played with the cat, who was scratching the soap. Because I am very version, I tried to go back to look at the red velvet baking hair. I went really green. The red velvet never touched. It was the rainy season. It started to move on to other objects, and so there was a pot there. But then when my lips the top is I target to get to Junior Hicks 26 school. Come one who here Junior Hicks school is at 26. After this my throat felt very dry, like I dry shell. Finally my ice and nugget are ready. Then I head to the red. I am going home. That's all my vlog.